Are you ladies ready? Wait, I gotta come over here.
Recording now?
Maybe. Are we?
Oh God. Yeah, he is.
All right. I am out here in Nebraska with Stephanie. She finally dragged me out. Took her 5 years?
Yep.
Anyways, we're going to some sick ass car show today. And Whitney, what do you got? What are you bringing? Come on.
I'm bringing my 2016 Lexus NXF Sport.
And what do we have over here, Stephanie?
2016 SQ5.
SQ5. And Brad, what do you bring?
My sweet body.
My sweet body.
And your baby face.
All right. Well, we're running behind schedule, so we're gonna get going right now. We're already late, so we're gonna be in the back of the show. They might even put us in the spectator parking. But let's get going. So we have just gotten here to ICC. We're rolled in. We got all these cars still rolling in. What do you guys think of the show so far? Any cool cars yet?
The cardboard one.
The cardboard one? Cool. Yeah. I saw a really cool black Audi over there. Not the SQ5, but the other one.
Okay.
Okay, well, let's go take a look at the show. Turbocharged snowmobile. You guys see that?
What?
Turbocharged snowmobile. Oh, look at that.
But there's no snow.
What?
There's no snow.
Well, you don't really need snow to ride a snowmobile. I'm not even from Nebraska, and I know that.
I'm not a snowmobile guy, you know.
Oh, look at this Supra. Have you seen one of these in person yet?
No.
I haven't either. So sick.
It scared people.
That was more scary than Scary Acres.
I was waiting for a pop.
Ooh.
We have found the nicest Civic here at the show, guys. Massive turbo right here. Boom. We got the hood scoop. We got the massive wing back here, guys. And a rear bumper. Missing side skirts and a front bumper, but I think he ran out of cardboard, so I mean, he's going with what he got. It turns out I'm mistaken, actually, guys. This is not a Honda Civic. This is actually a McDonald's Civic. Says so right there. Wait, say that again? You saw the what?
I saw the ass and I was like, yes. I wasn't paying attention to the Viper.
Oh boy. We are out here in Iowa watching some drag racing. It is freezing. It's about 50 degrees probably, maybe less. But changing up the pace, we are in Iowa watching some drags.
Mom, I found a tractor.
This is the West.
This is the Midwest. You got a tractor going down the road.
Woofing again?
Yes. Wah, wah, wah. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta get back out there. You can't quit. Whitney, show her how it's done. Show your sister how it's done.
I'll probably miss.
Oh! Yeah!
How many tries was that?
That was like 100 tries. Oh, come on, Brad. There you go. Oh! First try. No.
You're consistent, but you gotta raise the bar.
You're hitting too far up. You gotta step back one.
All right, Eric, you got this.
Come on, Eric. Show the ladies how it's done.
The force of the.
Oh, what?
More than that. More than that, Aaron. Come on. 4.
Hit it.
Come on.
Hit it like you mean it.
More, come on. Pretend it's Dave.
1 more. Come on.
Hit it like you mean it.
I did.
All right.
I got 16.
Yeah, what? Ready?
How do you know if it's clear?
I don't know.
All right, Brad, go. Or
Okay.
Stephanie can go.
All right.
Go, Stephanie.
Doing it again?
Yeah, you're gonna shoot it again.
already do this?
Shoot the little baby. I've already done that. You just got to shoot the baby apple now. Green light, good to go. Oh,
Did it go
so
up to the
close.
side?
Just a little bit to the side. Whoa! Whoa!
You can pull it in there, Whitney.
Come on, Whitney, get it. Get it, girl. Oh!
Pull 400, I'm sure.
Dude! Whitney ain't playing.
My back's killing me.
Right. She's like, I can't move.
Picture. So I
Come on, get it, girls. Get it. Come on.
Go!
Did you get it, Whitney?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
All the
You
way
should
to
have
the top?
recorded it.
What?
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta do it again. There it is. Oh!
Twice in a row.
Look at that. High five.
Yep.
Boom. There it is. There it is, Brad.
Oh my God. Come on.
You got this. No, especially there's a specific There's actually a way to avoid all of like yet and not go too far.
Come on, Brad. Don't drop it now. Oh!